What it do, my Easy Peasy family? And we are back in the kitchen once again with another Easy Peasy recipe. Today, family, we're going to make a cheeseburger hamburger helper. Not that kind of stuff you get in the box. I'm going to show you how to do it the Easy Peasy way without all that box. All right, we'll be right back. First, we're going to start off by browning about a pound of ground beef. Once we got that ground beef all browned up, we're going to drain off some of that excess grease. Now we're going to add a little garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little of that easy peasy, baby, black pepper, little onions in there. If you don't like onions, don't put them in there. 2 cups of beef broth, 2 cups of milk, a tablespoon of cornstarch. Add about a half a box of your elbows. Bring to a boil and then cover for about 10 minutes. All right, after 10 minutes, we're going to give it a stir. We're going to reduce the heat to low. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of cheddar cheese. We're going to cover for about 15 minutes. After we done let it simmer, we're going to go in with a final layer of cheese. Put some bacon over the top. If you don't like bacon, don't add it. Now we're going to add just a little parsley to give it some color. Now we're going to cover it and we're going to remove it from the heat and let that sit for probably about 10-15 more minutes.